Hey everyone, welcome to the Tiny Wonderland. This is a special episode getting the COVID-19 vaccine. We're going in a hole, hang on!
Okay.
That's okay, we're in a hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A mom to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
I know there's a lot of discussion in the world right now about whether we should or shouldn't get it. But as our governments realize that this is, according to the government, not a constitutional right to put other people in danger, this is going to become a necessity. And since I travel quite a bit overseas, this is just going to become a fact of life. And for those who, refuse the shot, that is completely up to you. That is completely up to you. That is your body, and you can make that decision. But I think you're gonna find your life getting smaller and smaller as time goes on. Again, I'm not advocating it, and I'm not. Yes.
I got it. Paperwork.
Oh, okay. Not what do we got?
Grab your temperature really fast.
Might be a little hot because I'm sweating, but okay. I'm not advocating, not de-advocating it at all.
You can skip this middle section.
Okay.
Go 1 through 11.
Okay.
And then sign and date.
That's it. Okay.
There you go.
All right. So we'll fill out some paperwork after to take the temperature, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this out, and we'll talk a little bit more in a minute. Oh, no problems at all. Not a fan of needles, but otherwise than that, I'm fine. I guess who's a fan of needles, right?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, there's so much information going around about this stuff right now. For me, the reason why I waited was because up until now was because I travel a lot, and someone told me, I guess falsely, that you had to get the shots at the same place, both of them.
No.
The problem is I move around so much with my job that I would need I guess a month in one spot, which technically I have been in Cedar that long working, but we didn't know I was going to be here. And I could be tomorrow I could be in a forest in Wyoming somewhere working. It just depends on, I travel in a tiny home, so I'm mobile. So when I could be, most likely my second dose will probably be in Phoenix.
Okay, yeah, you just want to make sure it's the same manufacturer.
Right, Moderna.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
so
I'll
just need to get to your upper arm, okay?
Otherwise I'll have double immunity.
Slight poke, okay?
All right. Ugh. Ouch.
Yeah, a little pinch there.
Oh, you're gonna give me a little cute, Walgreens Band-Aid. How cute. That's it, huh?
So this is your CDC card. Keep that in a safe spot.
Okay.
That's a receipt, okay?
And that's it?
That's it, sir.
And
you
we're
just
just-
have to kind of mill around for about 10-15 minutes.
I'll just have a seat.
Actually, this
Oh yeah, you got to use this stuff. Yep. Us. Okay, they're coming over here probably, so maybe we can switch out. Thank you, sir.
Hey, no problem. Have a good day.
So that was it. It did sting a little bit, to say the least, but. Yeah, so I mean, again, it's to each their own, but I think that as we see the Delta variant and other variants, continue to go, we're gonna see the government tightening restrictions as they should. And if you don't want to have a shot, then you don't have to have a shot. You just probably aren't going to be going out to eat or going to a movie theater or a ball game. But again, it's not my choice to make that decision, and I'm not political, and I'm not up on the legal stuff. So I did it for me, and you do it for you if you feel it's right. And if not, then there's probably going to be some battles in court that you're going to have to deal with. And we'll just see which side comes on the right, you know, and that's the way it is. So thank you for joining me for the special episode of Tiny Wonderland. I know right now this is a very controversial subject, and we'll get back to the fun stuff in the next episode. Thank you guys. Stay safe and get your shot if you want to, and if not, good luck. Okay, God bless. Talk to you soon.